my god, that wasn't bad. Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today, we're going to be eating food. Real original title. Also, I'm not going to do like edited videos anymore because my phone is glitching out like hell. So, if you don't see any more edited videos, I might try and use one of my other phones because I'm rich like that. I'm not rich. I mean, just look at that. Okay, so the first thing I'm not that excited about that we're going to be eating, baby food. Now, they sell this as compote in Switzerland. So I just ate a curry, but you didn't need to know that, did you? Okay, right, this is impossible to open. I'm just going to get one of these and Jesus, it's for babies. It's for Jesus, I think, oh God, I'm there, lads. So, they just sell this as compote. It shouldn't be baby food. Let's try this one. It's just apples. I'm not sure if it knows this. Right, just going to make sure that's squeezing it. So, these fruit ones are not that bad. Right, I'm just going to eat the entire thing. As you can see, I can fit entire pastry in my mouth. And no more. And this wasn't a joke, I mean. Okay, right. So we're going to go for the main, which I'm quite excited about. I've tried these before. This was the thing that fell over. So, this is a Scotch egg. But it's also corn. I eat meat, but yeah. They call them savoury eggs. I don't know why. So, it's just Scotch egg. Okay, so the last one, not excited about. Now, just to make up, it's going to be this on some bread, just to make up for that. Yeah, this is good. Really thick as well. Get this one. If you see it, get it. Okay. I'm not excited for this because I'm thinking, hey, why don't I just eat an entire spoonful of jam? But then I thought, no. I'm not going to put myself through this. So, bread. Let's put it down in this thing that has been cleaned with whatever. And then, let's just give it a squirt so you can actually see my face. I'm going to squirt it over here. You know what? I'm starting to not regret this. Right. I'm just going to put this back in the fridge. You can see I'm in my kitchen. Cuisine. Hang on, let me just pull this back up. Just feel basically like the Crystal Maze experience, a climbing group that I'm in school. Okay, Now, this doesn't look bad. I don't think it's going to taste particularly bad. So, let's give it a try. Now, this. If you had white bread with this, it would be 15 times better. But, because I've got 50-50 seeded, it's not as good. Now, it's like, shadow over there, it's darker. It's not as soft as white bread. So, I'd say, do this on white bread, it is delicious. Right, I'm going to eat the rest of this. See you guys in the next video.